Hello, my name is Gina. Welcome to my channel. This is a channel full of fun, education, financial breakthrough, and motivation. Today's topic is about contemplating whether to have a career in cybersecurity or a nursing degree. Most people are contemplating about this topic and they are just caught in between because it looks like you can just do like 3 months to 6 month certification program and you are off getting good money with a cybersecurity career. I know people who has gone through the program, the training, and they are getting like 150,000 a year, just 3 or 6 month certification program training, which is good. And there are people also in the nursing field who have to do 2 years associate degree, continue another 2 years for, when you want to do the bachelor degree, most people start at 4 years, the whole bachelor degree program for the nursing. And guess what? After they gotten in the work, the career itself on the job, they start complaining because it's not really easy like what they are saying. Most people quit the career, the nursing career within like 3 years, they are tired already. They are tired already. Most people are quitting. So this is what we are going to talk about today. This website is a government website, US Bureau of Labor Statistics. This will tell us everything that we need to know to compare and contrast where to go. The Bureau of Labor Statistics is the premier research arm of the Department of Labor. It collects, analyzes, and reports on a range of employment, unemployment, and price statistics. These reports are critical aids to taking the pulse of the US economy. So with this is a genuine website for us to make a research and know what is going on so we can know which career to go about. I was so surprised when one of my little boy was like, he's just 11 years. He was like, Mommy, you want me to be a doctor and break my back? So I was like, wow, what do you want to do? He said, people are out there doing computer science and they are getting good money. They can just stay home and, you know, have their career and they are good to go. They don't have to break their back for the same money. And I was just like, wow, the boy is making sense. Just 11 years old boy. Anyway, so let's move on with this. Um, when you come to this website, let's calm down all the way here. In 2021, the median pay salary for information security analysts, actually cybersecurity, information security, technical management, they are all under one umbrella. So the 2021, the median pay salary for these people were 102. Let's make it like 103 per year. For an hourly rate, 49.33. Let's make it like $50 an hour. Some people are getting more than $50 an hour. And the entry level is a bachelor degree. Guess what? It's not even like that. They are taking people who don't even have a degree. So I think it's all about if you know what you are doing, that is it. You have to have work experience in a related occupation like less than 5 years. less than 5 years, you can get into this career. Okay, let's look at the job outlook for this occupation. Employment of information security analysts is projected to grow 35% from 2021 to 2031, much faster than the average for all occupations. So, folks out there, family out there, if you don't have a cybersecurity and you don't have a nursing degree, forget it. It is too hard to go up there because these two careers are growing. As a matter of fact, they are growing. Let's go to the next page, the next line. About 19,500 openings for information security analysts are projected each year on average over the decade. 90,500 openings for cybersecurity career, information system security, all this technical management, all these programs, they have openings each year, 19,500. Many of those openings are expected to result from the need to replace workers who will be transferred to different occupations or exit the labor force, such as to retire. So people are retiring and they need people to do the work. So let's do the employment. High demand is expected for information security analysts. This is not, I'm not saying this. This is written by the government and they are really working on this. Cyber attacks have grown in frequency, and this analyst will be needed to create innovative solutions to prevent hackers from stealing critical information or creating problems for computer networks. A businesses focus on enhancing cybersecurity will need information security analysts to secure new technologies from outside threat or hack. So this is a serious matter. If you choose to go on a cybersecurity area, it's a good career because they are everywhere. Every company, whether small company, big company, government company, private company, the company is beginning fresh, whatever the company is, they need to protect the system, the information system. It is what it is because there are hackers everywhere. There are hackers in India, Africa, wherever. There are scammers everywhere these days. That's why these people need to protect their system, especially healthcare system, banks, they need to protect their systems. So this employment will never go down. They will keep on, hiring candidates, the best candidate, and you need to prepare yourself for this field. So family, okay, let's go back to the pay. I think we did the pay. Let's go back to the pay. And the pay is good. If you have to just do 6 month career training on these programs and you are going to get 102, let's say 103,000 a year, oh my God, it is a good money. Very good. You don't have no um you don't have no bill, like financial aid to pay. And here you go, you're taking this good money. Family, this is good. Let's all enter into this program. It's good. So the median wage is the wage at which half the workers in an occupation earn more than that amount and half earned less. The lowest 10% earned less than 61, which I haven't seen anybody earning like 61 apart from the entry level, those who just finish a bachelor degree and they go into the entry level. Even they get more than that. So this is just, the baseline. and the highest 10% earn more than 165. So if you are in this range and you don't have no financial aid to pay, folks, guess what? You are good to go. You can do more savings for your future. Let's do this. In May 2021, the median annual wages for information security analysts in the top industries in which they worked were as follows. So, if you have a career as information, you have 128,970. Finance and insurance company, you have 104,790,000 a year. If you are in the management of companies and enterprises, 101. So these are the pay scale range for these companies. This is good, folks. Let's all get into this. I'm already into this, but I'm encouraging people to look at it the way the government is saying on this platform. Okay, let's switch this to nursing, since we are comparing the nursing degree and the cybersecurity. So when you come here, this is the thing. Nurses are doing all the work. Okay. Nurses are doing all the work. And look at the pay. The median pay for 2021 was 77,600 per year. Folks, this is heartbreaking. I'm telling you. All the breaking of their back, the legs. Look at how much they get paid for. 37,031 per year with a bachelor degree. Whilst the same bachelor degree with the cybersecurity, you are getting 50,000, $50 an hour. With the nursing degree, you are getting 37, or let's say. Anyway, so let's do job outlook for this degree. And guess what? You have to go to school for 4 years or 2 years without a prerequisite alone to be able to gain this money, okay? So employment of registered nurses projected to grow 6% from 2021 to 2031. 6%. Okay. About 200 openings for registered nurses are projected each year. That is a lot openings. On average, over the decade, many of those openings are expected to result from the need to replace workers who transfer to different occupations or exit the labor force, such as to retire. And exit the labor force, most folks are exiting the labor force because it's hard for them. They feel like it's too much on the body. It's too much on the body. Most folks are exiting. They're exiting already. The young girls, the young men, they're exiting already. It's too much for them. So let's move on with employment. Demand for healthcare services will increase because of the large number of older people who typically have more medical problems than younger people. Registered nurses also will be needed to educate and care for patients with chronic conditions such as diabetes and obesity. And everybody is obese now. It's 99 people, 99%. Job growth is expected across most types of healthcare settings, including hospitals and outpatient care settings that provide same-day services such as chemotherapy, rehabilitation, and surgery. In addition, because many older people prefer to be treated at home or in residential care facilities, registered nurses will be in demand in those settings. So, even though, in a nutshell, even though registered nurses, the career pathway is a long shot, it's a long way to go. Like some people take almost 2 years to take all their prerequisite. And then you can take 2 years, also 18 months actually, also to finish with your associate. If you want to move on, you can take 1 year to finish with your bachelor degree. If you want to move on, so it goes up just like that. If you want to move on from bachelor, you can still do that 1 year also, or 2 years to go into your master degree and then get good pay. But for now, if you have your associate degree or your bachelor degree, count yourself like, apart from the travel nurses these days, if you want to do the average, I mean the average work, this is how much you are going to get. As a matter of fact, according to this website, which is a government website, the cybersecurity career pay more than, I mean, the nursing job. It is the fact which we can debate. It's the fact. It's here. It's the fact. So, family, which one do you want? I don't want to tell people what to do. I don't want to tell my family what to do, but it is written here. There is more career. I mean, there's more openings for nursing, which is written here. It is growing every year. There's more openings, but the pay is less. There's, compared to cybersecurity, there's a little bit opening. There's more opening also, but compared to the nursing, nursing has more openings than the cybersecurity, which is written here. But talking about the pay of nursing is less, and the pay of cybersecurity is high. Is high, and it's better if you have your, if you don't have no financial aid to pay, like other family who has just taken um just 3 month program training, and they are already in the field and they are taking good money. They don't have no financial to pay. Compared to nursing, you have like 100,000 plus when you get to a master degree level, to for you to get this kind of pay. Compared to that, you also have financial aid to pay. On the job, it's really hard on the body, the back pain, the body pain, and all that, the stress you go through and all that. So this is it. This is the we can we, you know this is it, family. So I'm about to close this chapter.